Want to see the easiest way I ever saw to clone a hard drive? There it is. It isn't even hooked up to anything. Okay, it's a standalone, if you want it that way, or plugged into the computer. But this way, data transfer should go as fast as possible through these drives. And there's a lot of data. I got two 8 terabyte drives right there, and I'm cloning this one to this one. So there you go. I don't have to do anything. As this thing runs through, there's 4 lights down here. This one will come solid and tell me that it's 25% done, then 50, then 75, then 100%. So let's see how long it takes. But I mean, it's simple. Push this button twice. That's it. That's all you got to do, and it takes care of it. So let's see how it works out. I'll put it on the laptop after it's done and compare them. But man, that was simple. There's a picture of the box it came in, if that helps you. Okay, it took 3 hours to get a quarter of the way through the cloning process. So there we go, 3 hours. So I got a ways to go yet, but it's working. Now there's about 6 terabytes on there, and I think the specs on this are, let's see. Well, I don't know. I'll get them to you and put them on later. I can't read. Anyway, there you go. Like I said, it's nice because the laptop isn't even on, and I'm cloning a drive. I think it was 60 megabytes a second transfer rate when it's standalone like it is now. 60 megabytes a second. So there you go. It works. So easy, so convenient. Should have had this years ago. Best $43 I spent in a while. Okay, I got about halfway. I'm at about 6 hours. Not quite halfway according to this. And you might notice the UPS, uninterruptible power supply over there. I have it hooked up to this, so that just in case there's a power outage, which happens quite a bit anymore, I don't have to worry about this glitching out on me. This is years of work that I'm transferring over to a backup. So this is already a backup. Everything I had in a bunch of drives. Okay. And now they're all transferred onto here. Now I'm transferring over to here to make sure that I don't have any failures if I can help it. I don't want to lose my files. I don't want to lose everything that I've worked for. Electronics, schematics, things like that, you know, for working on CBs or whatever. There's a ton of stuff in there, and I don't want to lose it. So that's why I'm using this device. I'm transferring it over. So there we go. That's the setup. It's still cranking away. I'll test it whenever it's all said and done. Now I don't know if this is halfway through the files or halfway through 8 terabytes. I don't know how it works. I'll find it out. I'll figure it out when it comes down to the end. Probably I'll figure it out. Well, we're at almost 11 hours. So it's getting done. We're on the last quarter. We'll see how it goes. I figured 12 hours, so let's see if it makes it the full 12. Here we go. Almost done. Things working away. There we go. 15 hours is what it took. Looks like it's all done. I'd say that's what that means there. Alright, good deal. Now I just got to check it and make sure it's good. If there's any problems, I'll certainly let you know. Otherwise, mission accomplished.